Hi guys, so I'm here with the lash tutorial. As you can see, I'm not wearing lashes, and this is the applicator, and it's gonna be tricky because I don't have a proper camera. So this is the up lash, and it's thicker than the lower lash. If you compare it to the lower lash, it's not as thick. Okay, now if you in real life, you can see a white dot on the lower lash, and you can see a blue dot on the upper lash, if you can ever see it. Do you see it? I don't see it. Anyway, in real life you will see the dot. Now that's important because when you want to apply it to this applicator, I got it upside down. You want to apply the blue dot up here and the white dot down here. So here you go. Now the tricky part is to not spoil the magnetic, so I recommend that you hold it like this and not touch the magnet too much. And you want to apply it to the inside here. Don't put it like this. Don't put it like this. This is wrong. You want to put it like this. This is correct. The eyelash is facing inwards, and the blue dot has to face outwards. So I can see the blue dot now. I have to wear my glasses. Where's my glasses? Oh god, this is the torture. Okay, so I'm applying it. Okay, I've clipped it on, I think. Yep. Do I see the blue dot? No, I do not. So this is a wrong application. You don't see the blue dot, you have to turn it around, but it's facing inside the lash not outside, so it's inside. So you apply it, the magnet, the black magnet onto the iron thingamajiggy, and then there you go. So if you see, the lash is inside as opposed to this way. You don't want to put it this way. I'm not a good demonstrator, am I? You don't want to put it this way, facing outwards. You want to face it inwards. So same goes to this thing. You face it inwards, and you find the white dot. It's got to be on the outside. So when it's on the outside, you're safe. That means it's facing outwards. So where do I see it? Do I see the white dot? This is the white dot, and it's got to go inside. That way, not this way, okay? This way, not that way. Now is the crunch time. Let's see whether it works. I've tried it a couple of times and it's like not easy, especially when you're not a pro. So I'm looking into the mirror. They say just put it on your eyes like that. See, it's coming out. Ooh. Push it back and clip on your eyelash. Ow, I think I got it wrong. Okay, it's not working. Ugh. Okay, let me just detach it, the top one, the top one and the bottom one, and let me put it back on the applicator. Okay, give me a sec. Okay, I got it. So let's give it a shot. Another shot. Bismillah. Okay, you want to look like this. You want to put it on top of the eyelash, close to the eyelash as possible. And then you want to push it back, and you want to, oh shoot, you want to clasp it, and you get a grip. You get a gripping feeling. Then you let it go. You open, Bismillah. And then you lift that way. Oh no, it's coming out. Oh, the lower lash didn't stick. Okay, third try. Oh, did I put it on the right way? No. You see, the lower lash is not stuck. So I think I put it on the wrong way. That means the white thing is not pointing outwards. So give me another way. Give me another try. Okay, I figured it out, because the lower lash didn't stick and the magnet didn't stick because the white dot was not facing outwards. So the trick is to get it inwards like that. Can you see? Inwards, and the white dot has to be outside and the blue dot has to be outside. You can't see the blue dot from the camera because I don't have a sophisticated cameraman. Let's try it another time. Bismillah. On the upper lash. Oh shoot, it fell. I'm applying it to the magnet and it's really a disaster sometimes. I'm trying to show it to you so that you guys understand the labor, the torture, and I'm really afraid because time is running out and it's already like 5 minutes into the video, but I just want to demonstrate to you guys that it can get tricky if you don't understand how to stick it on. Okay, now let's focus. Is it on? Yes, it is on. Ta-da! Finally, can you see? The eyelash is on. Elvis is in the building. Finally! Oh, and how many minutes did that take me? More than 10 minutes actually. But alhamdulillah. So I'm wearing the glasses. So can you see? It's more prominent when I'm wearing the glasses because it amplifies my eyes because I'm short-sighted. So ta-da! Can you see? Yeah, so it's not for the faint-hearted. I would say this Wosado eyelash, you have to practice and you have to be careful so that you don't spoil the magnet, you don't spoil the eyelash, and you don't get it applied the wrong way. You have to make sure that the lash is inwards. You have to make sure that the dot is outwards, so it gets kind of tricky. And if I had the proper equipment, I could show you in detail how to do it, but no. So I guess in terms of application, you have to be patient. You need to try a couple of times and you might make a couple of mistakes, but overall, when you get the hang of it, it's okay. Because I'm a beginner, so inshallah I will get better, inshallah, hopefully, and it won't be a breeze to wear it. But you would need to invest in a couple of eyelashes before you get a hang of it for some of us. So toodaloo guys, assalamualaikum. Hope you liked my video. Bye.